As you are aware, in the last video, I told you that I'll be talking about gifts. And who actually doesn't like gifts? We all love them. We all love unboxing them, and we also love to give them to others, to the ones whom we care most about. But is this episode only about sharing those feelings? Of course not. As a financial advisor, I would be taking you through the other aspects of gifts, and that includes the monetary and the taxation part of gifts. And yes, do not forget, please do stay invested onto this entire video, since I'll be talking about certain things that will help you win some gifts for yourself. So without wasting much time, let's invest into this video and dive straight into it. As per the IT Act 1961, any amount exceeding Rs 50,000 without consideration gifted to an individual or an HUF in any financial year will be taxable under the Act. Post 2009, there has been an addition, and even immovable properties which include land or building or both has been added into this Act. In case if the land or building or both the stamp value exceeds Rs 50,000 rupees, then the stamp value will be taxable about 50,000. Other movable assets, for example paintings, shares, securities, drawings, sculptures has also been added into the Act. The benefits received under this gift, if it exceeds the fair market value of about 50,000 rupees, then it would get taxable. Let us look at the gifts received from people. The first one, gifts received from relatives. As per the Act, gifts received from relatives is not taxable under the Act. I repeat again, gifts received from relatives is not taxable under the Act. Relatives include spouse of the individual, brother or sister of the individual, brother or sister of the spouse of the individual, brother or sister of their individual parents of the individual, any lineal ascendant or descendant of the individual, any lineal ascendant or descendant of the spouse of the individual are treated as relatives. Gifts received from relatives are exempted under section 56 of the Act. शादी का लड्डू खाए वो पछताए, न खाए वो भी पछताए. You would be wondering, what has that got to do with gifts? Well, during marriages we all receive gifts, and that is what I am going to talk to you about, gifts received in a marriage. As you know, in all the marriages we all receive gifts. These gifts which are received either in kind or cash are exempted from this particular Act. It is one of the exceptions to the general rule. Where there is a will, there is a way. I have spoken about wills in my previous videos. There is an I link here which you can catch up on that particular video at a later point of time. The gifts received through the will is what I am going to take next. Any gift received under the will or due to inheritance or death of the payer will not be taxable under this Act. To win one of such mugs amongst many, you need to answer this question: which is the section number that helps us get exemption for gifts gifted by relatives? Which is the section which helps us get exemption under the Act for gifts gifted by relatives? In coming episodes, we will be announcing more questions wherein you can participate and win more gifts as well. So stay invested onto our channel and the videos therein. Are immovable properties gifted by friends taxable? Since they are not your relatives, they would be taxable under the Act. Whenever there is a talk on gifts, we've come across news related to litigations as well as some disputes. Are there any remedies towards this? Especially when the gift consideration amount is huge, there are chances that it is up for litigation as well as some disputes with the tax authorities as well. It is always advisable to keep some documentary proofs with us. In case if we have received a gift from the relative, it is always advisable that we keep a gift deed or a letter of understanding. As you've seen in this entire video, there are a lot of things that you can gift, including gift to me as well. Well, jokes apart, there are two things to this video. One is all about gifts and the second is all about donations. This video talks about gifts, but then how can donations be far away? Do catch up with us on the future videos on donation and how best can we avail of benefits out of donating. Stay invested in all our videos of Guru Gurwar. As usual, do not forget to subscribe for those who haven't, as well as press on the bell icon for regular notifications. Get to win, you need to first follow us on Instagram. The details are mentioned herein. Second, you need to subscribe to our channel, and the most important, you need to answer correctly in the comments box below. Please do not send us your correct answers on our WhatsApp or personal messages. Stand to win many more gifts that I'll be announcing in all my videos. The winners will be announced on our 25th episode of Guru Gurwar on 17th of September. So stay invested on all the videos of Guru Gurwar. While it is Think's endeavor to provide you with details, this is just a general guidance given to you. In case if you need more details, do write into us in the comments box below or else send us an email and we'll be more than happy to answer your queries. Do consult your chartered accountant or your tax advisor on the same for more nitty-gritties on the act. Till next Thursday with a new video, this is your financial warrior, your Shubh Chintak, Rajesh Atangadi, saying Guru Gurwar.